video, I will guide you how to fix if you cannot receive calls on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again, tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. After click on notifications, click on do not disturb and make sure turn on this button. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so remove SIM tray and clean. After cleaning, again insert SIM card. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.